What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to all my subscribers, all 20 something I believe. But welcome back to the video. Today what we are going to do, we're going to head over to my cousin's house, head over to my cousin Josh's house, and we're going to be working on his Camry today. He has the 2020 Camry. It is blue. Hold on, let me close my garage door. It is blue. I don't know what model it is, but you guys will see when we get there. But we're heading over to his house because he has something for me to install on his car. So before I do that, I'm gonna go to Smoothie King and get me a smoothie. And then we'll be at Josh's house. So let's go. Okay, so we got our smoothie. Oh man, that's so good. I got strawberry kiwi. If you guys live over here on Pleasant Hill in Duluth, Georgia, and go to this Smoothie King, get the strawberry kiwi. Oh, this thing is delicious. It tastes so good. But on to Josh's house we go. So everybody, this is Josh's car right here. When he had got the car, he had got the emblems in black.
Pretty easy, but like you said, there's a couple pieces at the bottom, and he kind of walks through like what it is he did first, because there's basically these pieces that pop off, then there's the two bolts there, but he did that last. And then basically, I guess once we get the bumper off, there's these four plastic piece things that come off, and then we can take this piece off and we can get to the wiring to there. And then basically, but the bumper is pretty much like he mentioned, there's like two pieces here, these two here, then one's at the bottom. After you get those off, the two bolts come off here, and then we just kind of pop, and then it drops down, and then that's when we can wire everything back here.
Seems pretty easy.
Bro, you got shoes on, come step on this walk, this B right here.
Alright, y'all, what we're going to be doing is, as soon as Josh moves, we're going to be replacing, oh snap, hold up. Okay, there we go. We're going to be replacing these reflectors with his new LED, what is it, LED lights?
Yeah, reflecting lights.
LED reflecting lights. So these are going to go down at the bottom, and it hooks in with the brake light, so when he brakes, the lights at the bottom will actually come on. So without further ado, let's get started. Gonna put you guys on a time lapse right about now.
can shade down the light with that one so it can fit in flush with that. Otherwise, we got the bumper on. Bumper was easy to take off.
Okay, so we got the bumper off. All it was a, well, like 1 clip, 2 clip, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then one more over there in that corner. So it's 8 clips on the bottom. On the side, you have a clip right here. And that's actually the only clip that's right there. I don't even have to take off the other one. I don't think. There's 1 clip right here. And I believe there was another clip at the bottom. And then you just, oh, and also there's a screw that goes in right here. That will come up right here and it will come off. And also you got 1 screw right here on this side next to the tail light, 1 screw on that side. You'll have those plastics, pop it off, and you'll be able to pop out the entire rear bumper. What you got to do for the new ones, you have to drill a hole on each side so you can fit the wires through. And I don't know if it's on some models or if this is just for all model Camrys.
Most all models, yeah, they don't have the hole there, so you have to.
Okay, so it's like you have to actually shave the surrounding, like you got to shave around this piece. That way, it would be able to actually fit in that like easily, not too easy, but easy to where it's flush with the body. So that's what we're trying to do over there. Shave down all of that. That way it can fit in good. I'm about to go ahead and create this hole and get these wires through, and we'll do the same thing with this. And then connect the rest of the wiring right over there. And yeah, we'll be done and put the bumper together and see how it works. Okay, you guys, we're back. Oh, I'm tired. Whew. But after about, what you say, probably about like an hour, hour and a half.
Almost 2. So trying to shave that thing down.
Trying to shave down these lights. We got it to fit in perfectly, actually. Just don't look too close at it. I don't know, you can see imperfections.
Yeah. I think it's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, we got them in. It is LED reflector lights. Looks like he already has it all hooked up.
Yep, everything's
and then we just gotta plug and play with these. Again, we just gotta watch the video, see what wires go with which. Probably white goes with white, black goes with black, blue goes with blue, red goes with red. I don't know, I'm not entirely sure. Never worked with these just yet, but hey, for my first install on these, this is a pretty easy job. It's just a little time consuming with the reflector lights. We're trying to shave them down. That's all it is. It's just a little time consuming with that. But other than that, taking off the bumper, taking this piece off with this piece, which is that right there. It's just like 4 clips. So it's just like one right here, then one over here, then one right here. And you basically just pull up on it and it'll come out and you'll take the trunk piece out with it. Okay, so how they go, these are the wiring instructions. You'll go blue to red. You'll go from the car wire to the reflector. So it's blue to red, red to blue,
make sure you shut the door.
White to white, and then black to black.
Shut the door, bro.
And then you just basically just push it all the way and then put the covers over it, and you will tape it or tie it.
Alright, turn it on.
Right now, I'm about to go ahead and test it, see if it works. Hey, that's dope. That's dope. Step on the brake.
Alright.
Hey, that's so sick. That, yeah. 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 Yo, that is so sick.
Good?
Yeah. Cut. Nah, bro.
Oh, I gotta see it. I wanna see it with the bumper and everything on, bro.
Nah, but I'm telling you, dog, it looks so sick, dude.
I wanna see it with the bumpers and everything.
It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay.
So let's go ahead and get this bumper on, bro.
Oh, wait, hold
We'll
up.
worry about tucking all that stuff in once we get the bumper on.
Hold on.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't put it through the holes.
God damn. Alright, we're too excited.
What?
Oh, it looks so sick, and then we forgot to put the wires through the holes. So you gotta take them back off. I was just sitting back here. I was all like, dude, that looks so awesome.
I want to see.
Alright,
Okay,
yeah,
install is done, you
Oh,
guys.
okay, yeah, bro. Close
Bumper
it,
is
bro.
back on. It's so sick.
Turn
All
on
right,
the lights.
Okay.
look at
Lights
that.
on.
Okay.
Other side.
Turn the lights on.
They're on.
Alright. Now use the hazard light, yes.
Look at it. Check this
Right
out.
there in the middle at the top. Top in the middle. Top middle. Middle top.
Look at that, dude.
Alright.
That is so
turn it off
sick.
and do left and right. Good.
So sick. Yeah.
Right. Good.
Yep.
Alright, and then just hit the brake, turn it off, turn the signals and turn it to the brake.
Check that out.
That's fine. It blinks when you brake.
Yeah.
Alright, leave it on, because Bryson, I need you to see it. Bryson, come do the same. Yes. So, hazards, left, right, and then turn them off and then do the brake. Just watch that thing on the wall. Move that up so it's not hitting the door. Alright, go ahead, Bryson. Alright. Other side. Alright, and then hit the brake. Alright. Now do it again because I want to see it, bro. Ooh, shit. Alright, do right. Left. Oh, my lord.
Thoughts, Jess?
Alright, bro, we good.
Thoughts, Joshua?
Bruh, dream come true right now.
It looks so sick, no doubt about it. You guys, install is done. Bryson, your thoughts about it?
It's fine. I think it's really nice. You know, look like you know how Mustangs be having those lights on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It kind of look like that. But not. I can't. It don't look exactly like that. But
Nah, it's not like that.
For a
I
Honda.
get it. Yeah.
Nobody don't want no Mustang anyway.
Mustang.
Nobody don't know how to drive it.
Yeah, but there's
But,
an ongoing meme if you if you follow any car pages on Facebook, there's an ongoing meme of Mustangs always hitting people and crashing.
Because nobody don't know how to drive them things. The people that got don't know how to drive them. But that is it for today's
Now that would have stopped
video.
me from getting a Mustang if I
Of course
could.
not. Because we'll know that you'll be
I
able to
just
drive
don't want to
it.
be one of those people.
Just don't fuck up. But install is done. We changed them from the reflectors to LED reflectors. So now when
My
he
keys
brakes, I hope not. Your keys? What you mean keys?
In the car.
The keys is right here.
Can you get them for me?
You said your keys?
Oh, my fault.
You was holding it. Glasses. Some trunk. Come on now, Josh.
I know. I'm just checking something. Making sure.
Yep, that's it for today's install. Changing to LEDs. Next up will be exhaust. We'll be putting a lot of exhaust on it.
Chrome delete. So getting this tinted and getting rid of that here, and then also on the rims, and then hopefully get the little body kit pieces around the side.
This thing will be looking pretty good, y'all. You
done
guys
for
want to check this out. Check out the build and everything like that on this. Watch this video. It's going to be on this channel. If you guys want to look at all the pictures and other things, you going to put it on Instagram?
Yeah, I can put it on Instagram, Facebook.
Alright. What's your Instagram and Facebook?
I gotta look all that up again.
Yeah, guess we forgot.
I'm too excited right now. I need a shower because I'm sweaty and I look like somebody's grandpa, bro.
Yeah, that's for sure. But stop. No, we're not gonna put that in the
Come
video.
on, bro.
No,
Alright.
we're not putting that in the video.
Like this shit, bro. Alright, peace out. Being gay is good for you. Knee braces and a back strength.
Well, you guys, that's my cousin. That's my cousin Josh. I love him. But that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the little install and the information about it. Hope I got all the stuff good for you guys. I'm showing you guys what to do. But yeah, we are done. This has been a power performance vlog. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. We out.